So in today's video, guys, I'm going to show you how to prepare this turkey ham vegetable dish. It's quite easy, very simple. Anybody can do it. You just need some leftover turkey or ham. Let's go. So the first thing first, we have basically three basic steps, right? You're going to pour in some margarine or just a little bit of oil, not a whole lot, because this is what you're going to put your ham or your turkey in. Now, based on the time that we're in, I know persons may have leftover ham or turkey. This is a great way to use them. So there is my turkey leg, and before you saw the ham. What I'll do is dice these in smaller pieces. So this is the turkey and this is the ham. No, it's actually smoked turkey. It tastes really good. I'm not a fan of ham. I'll eat it, but I don't really particularly love it. But do it this way and I'll enjoy it. So what I do next is to go in and turn your flames down. You don't want it to be too high, maybe on medium heat. You're gonna fry it somewhat to kind of have a little crispy, not too dry taste, and it's basically to kind of warm the turkey. Turn it over once you believe one side is done, because remember now, these meals were already prepared, and so they really don't need much cooking. It's really just to warm it up. Didn't have to do it this way, but this is the way I chose to do it, so you could do it this way too. Once it is done and you're satisfied that this is well heated, you're going to remove it from the frying pan. So I'm going to take it out and put it in a smaller container, and then I'll set it aside. Now, there's going to be a little oil left, and if there's no oil left, that's okay. You could add just a little bit more oil to your pan. So the second step in this, so this is basically the first step. You want to prepare your ham and your turkey breast, or if it's just ham alone, then you do ham alone. We're gonna go in with some we're gonna saute some onions, tomato, bell pepper to add. So there we have it. We have the green, we have the red, we also have a little bit of garlic and some tomato. We're going to pour this into a frying pan and we're going to saute these together. Once you know I love the lots of color. Now guys, all these are optional. You just probably need onion and garlic, to be honest, and some tomato. But you know, I have it, so I'm using it. Just use whatever you have in your kitchen. You could actually include scallion as well and some thyme. I didn't get a chance to put those in. But just use what you have, alright? Do you in the kitchen. Do what you're comfortable with. The next thing I'm going to add is my carrots. Now I made these carrots very thin. Why thin? Because I want them to be able to cook easily. I want it to have a little crunchy to it, but also want it to be cooked. So I then go in with my carrot next. I saute it with the rest of the vegetable that's in the pot. And look at that, guys, the combination coming together pretty nice, and it actually smells good. The next thing we're going to add as our cabbage. Now you can cut your cabbage in whatever size you like or wherever you like it. It doesn't really matter as far as I'm concerned. So I'm pouring everything else, and once I'm done doing that, then I'm going to mix. Now I didn't have a very big frying pan, so you know, I have to take my time to ensure everything stays in the pot. If you have something bigger, then you can go right ahead and use it. So once that is done, then you're going to combine everything together nicely. We're not going to put any lid on our pot. Oh no, because we don't want to have any water in our cabbage. You know, sometimes you're doing cabbage and you're steaming it and then you have a lot of water. No, this time we're basically stir frying the cabbage. We're gonna go in with a little bit of butter. You know, the butter gives it an extra nice taste, and I try to put the butter at different places in the pot to ensure it, you know, goes out, melts quicker, and everything gets some amount of that nice flavor to it. We continue mixing again. Now we're going to add just a little bit of salt. Guys, please go light on the salt. All right, because you know ham may have a, if your ham is not salty, then that's okay, but still go light on it. The black pepper, I went in with just a tip because I don't like cooking with it, to be honest. I go in with a little bit of Italian season. Now this is the deal breaker, guys. It's gonna give it a nice flavor. You can be generous with this one if you wish. I actually loved it. Once that is done, then you're gonna go together and you're gonna mix it in nicely. Combine everything nicely. Guys, isn't this looking lovely? We could actually have this meal just as it is right now, nothing else added. We could just enjoy it. I actually have another video I will be sharing with you how you can do your cabbage. Really nice. So you want to make sure, if you are not a part of the family, make sure you are subscribing right now, because trust me, you don't want to miss that video. We're taking a close-up look at that. Look at the color combination, guys. Isn't that lovely? I'm showing you no water. And this is what happens when you don't put the top on and you keep just stirring it, stir it, you stir it, you stir it. And the final step that you're going to do is you're going to add the ham and the turkey breast that was previously prepared. And then we just combine everything together. Pretty simple, don't you think? Quite easy. Anybody can do it. Now, guys, you can serve this up with some soft yam, some nice fried dumpling, or maybe you want to just have it with bread or potato wedges. Just do you. So this is the final look, the final product. We are going to enjoy this one. Make sure you have subscribed because we have many more to drop. To those of you who continue to follow, thank you so much. Bye everyone. Until the next one.